Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. Be aware, you will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. You can check our tutorial of how to do it. I've just recorded it, or you can do it after entering the Play Store. It's up to you. So let's tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here, let's tap on Updates Available, and as you can see, here we've got, let's say, two different options, so it depends what you need. You can either tap on Update All, and your device will download all of the available updates, or you can simply tap on Update next to the specific app, and your device will download only this one. So I'll pick those, and as you can see, our device is downloading it. And after that, they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.